Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable Copilot for Windows 11. So if you'd like to go ahead and enable Windows Copilot for Windows 11, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys step by step just how, and also teach you guys some tips and tricks on how you guys can get this on your PC if you don't have this feature available. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and right click on our PCs and type on the personalize option. Next I want you to scroll down over onto the taskbar and you should see the Microsoft Copilot located right here, ready for you to enable. Now that is how you guys could easily enable Microsoft Copilot on your PCs. Just go ahead and tap on this option to turn it on. But in the case that you cannot see that option located here, you can still go ahead and access Microsoft Copilot by searching for the Microsoft Edge browser. By default, Microsoft Edge has the Microsoft Copilot installed on its browser right here on the top right section, as you could see. And you could go ahead and use this feature, go ahead and just use the AI chatbot, but with whatever you like. You could also go to tap on this compose option, so you could also access its compose feature. And that is how you guys could actually access the Copilot on your Windows 11 PCs, and also do it if you don't have that feature available. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.